Managing weeds in vineyard row is tough. It costs time, money and relies on manual labor or chemicals. We designed the RINIERI Twin Turbo to solve this. The double vertical axis rotors are the heart of the system. They don't just cut, they loosen the soil, removing all weeds and leveling all in a single pass. Built in Italy with high quality steel, its blades and accessories are designed for a long lifespan with minimal maintenance. This is reliability you can count on, season after season. Are you ready to cut off your operating costs and improve the soil management? Download right now our catalog to see all the options.